Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another video. Let me get my drink out of the way and take a little sippy, you know? I hope y'all are doing well. Welcome if you're new here. Welcome back if you're not new here. Thanks for joining me. So, as it says in the title, we've got Happy Mail, unexpected Happy Mail, and some hauls, okay? I've got a haul from Dollar Tree and I have a haul from Amazon. So, first we're gonna start, I think, with this lovely little piece of Happy Mail. So sweet, and it's by Brookie, and she is Recreations by Brooke. It says, thank you. I don't know what I did to deserve this at all, but this is one of the things I love about Brookie is she always puts these beautiful stickers. This is original artwork from her collage background and her beautiful painted girls. You know, it's just beautiful, right? And it's about, it looks to be like postcard size. So I could do one of two things with this, all right? I can cut it out. Let me get a pair of scissors to open it, and while I'm yammering, I could either cut it out of the envelope and actually send it as a postcard, because I know somebody who would probably really enjoy a postcard that was made by Brookie. The other thing I could do, of course, is cut it out and tip it into my journal. So I'm not sure which I'm gonna do, but we're gonna go ahead and open this. Like I said, I have no idea what I did to deserve this. I have, usually Brooke and I get on like video calls when we both have the time. And yes, Brookie, if you're watching this, I miss your face. Girl, I missed your face. But, you know, I work. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Oh, okay, it says thank you on it. So I don't, like I said, I don't know why. Look what she wrote. I miss your face. That's so hilarious. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, honey, I miss you too. So she, and she calls me Elle. And look what she sent. How super sweet. Oh my goodness gracious. So sweet. She sent a bunch of her girly stickers. Okay. So I love that. Okay, I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with that yet. Let's scooch this aside just so we can look at these. But I am gonna put this and this, and I'm gonna save that. Sorry if it was glary. And I'm gonna put it in my book for today, which is this day right here. Okay, so we're just gonna clamp this in here so I can remember that I opened it on this day. How sweet. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Okay, we'll put that over there. Look at these girls. They're stickers, and they're all, you know, hand painted, and then she scans them in. I love her faces so much. These are so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I just love them. And oh, look at that one. That's my favorite so far with the pink hair. Oh, I love the green hair too. Look how cute these are. They're just all so different and just so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Some with blue hair. Just beautiful. Oh, and little flowers as well. So let me scooch those aside. That's a little winter girl with her little, she's a little snowflake down there. These are just so beautiful. Oh, Brookie Boo, you're so talented. Here's another one of the winter girl. Oh, look at these. Ooh, these might be my favorite. Look at those black and white with little red lips. I love that. That's gorgeous. Okay, some more. Let's see. She has some other little tidbits, but these are all her girls. And I don't know, maybe I'll post her. I love that. I love that. I will post her Etsy shop down below. Look at that pretty girl. Oh my goodness. And look. Same girl, different colors. Nice. Oh, I love these. Thank you so much, sweetie, for thinking of me. You're the bestest. Oh, look at her with blonde hair. Cute. And then we have these here, like the sun, the flower. There's a pretty flower there. Is this a smaller one? Yep, a smaller version of the pretty flower. And that, oh, how beautiful. How beautiful. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Oh, boy, that really brightened my day. Thank you very, very much. I'm gonna put these right there. Yeah, we'll put them right there. Okay, so thank you so much. That was so unexpected. I surely appreciate it. Here, we'll get on to the Amazon haul. I just did a small Amazon haul because there were some things that I needed and of course some things that I wanted. And yes, I am still, no, because this was for me, I think I just used my points. But anyway, I still have gift cards, guys, still have gift cards. So I had to, of course, get my Fiskars trimmer blades, and these are just for my very old trimmer. So I had to get those. It comes in a 2-pack. And yeah, I mean, one of these days I have to get a new trimmer though, because this is my trimmer, right? I've had it like forever. All right. Look at this here without the glare, hopefully. Like it's all rubbing off, right? I don't know. One of these days I'm going to have to splurge, right? And then my ATG gun, this is for the tape refills, you know, for this ATG gun down there. I do like using a tape gun every now and again. Listen to that dog. Oh my word. He's been so good. Hold on one second. Remington. Remy. Rem. I don't know if he's going to come or not. His master's out running errands. And he's probably sitting in the bay window. Okay. Then look at these adorable... Let me move this. I'll talk about that in a second. These adorable sticky notes. I hope it's not too glary. Let me see how many. 7, 8. Were there only 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, maybe. I guess. Only 8. I'll have all the links below to everything that I have here, just in case, you know, you're in need of any of this. Now he's barking. Lovely. These are so cute. This is animal sticky notes. Yeah, that's what they're called, animal sticky notes. And some of them are like a time memo. Some of them are just a cute little animal. One moment. Remington! Let me just close my door. Then he can howl all he wants. Sorry. Ugh. He was being so good. I had just filmed a video before this, a journal with me, and he was being so good. I don't know. Anyway, look at that panda. Adorable. This is a to-do memo of a little cat. This is a little elephant, a time memo. This is a little frog. This is a time memo, a little turtle, a little piggy, and a little bunny time memo as well. So stinking cute. And they're sticky notes, you know, they're little sticky notes. So I just thought they were adorable. I can use them for little journaling spots, which is what I have used them for in my book. Let me just show you. I did when I first got them. There they are. See? Just some of them. They're so adorable. Oh my goodness. And I can use them at school as well. Like, I think I'll probably just like, you know, take like half the pack or whatever and take, half of them to school, because, you know, if I ever need to put like a little note on their desk or a little note on their paper, it's always fun to just put one of these cute little sticky notes on. So these are just stinking cute. All right. I could not resist them. Honestly, I'll be honest with you. I thought they'd be bigger, but it's okay. They turned out to be like the perfect size for just a little journaling spot. And yeah, got those on Amazon. So super cute. So we'll put that stuff up there. Oh, this is the last thing I got off of Amazon. Now, I've been watching a lot of CJ Reynolds, who is a high school teacher at a school in Philadelphia. And He's just a really great teacher and seems like just a really great all-around dude, you know what I mean? And so he wrote this book, I think it was last year, Teach Your Class Off, which is hilarious, okay? And he is hilarious. I've been watching a lot of his videos. I've been on YouTube, by the way. Yeah, let's see, 2020, yeah. So this book came out last year. And I am this far in, and I'm using one of my little frog sticky notes, but it's been a really great book. So I am a former teacher. I tell you all the time, I am my daughter's teacher's assistant for this year. I was her teacher's assistant last year. This year, this will be my last year being a teacher's assistant. And it's really been great. It's been a great experience, and I love learning new things. And back when I was a teacher in the public school system 20 years ago. So, no, 25 years ago. 25 at least. 20, 26, 27, 20, 28 years ago? Maybe is when I started. Yeah, probably 28 years ago. Anyway, I always love learning new things. I love learning about teaching and different strategies, and he has a lot of really great ideas, and he's the kind of teacher that you always wish you had, you know what I mean? And so yeah, I wanted to get his book and read it. It's been a very easy read, very entertaining read so far, and yeah, I can't wait to get through it. I'll probably end up reading it twice or more than twice because I want to highlight some things as well. So this has just been a really, really great book. He is a teacher, he's a speaker, he's got a YouTube channel called Real Rap with Reynolds. Of course, I will leave that link down below. He does like lives on Sundays as well. So any of you teachers out there, or you have kids that are teachers or grandkids that are teachers or whatever, you know, he's a really good, he's a really great resource, you know, just for different strategies. Yeah, he always talks about making magic in your class. You know, it's just, yeah. He's just great, you know? I mean, I'm assuming he's great. He seems great. He seems really great. So, thank you, CJ, for putting this book out. I cannot wait to finish reading it. And this, I'll put this link down below as well. Of course, there'll be affiliate links. And so, yeah, check that out if you want to. So, let's scooch you over here. Scooch you over there. I don't want to... There's my brookie boot. Nope. Okay, let's scooch down then. Scooch down, and that's called Teach Your Class Off. All right, so that was my Amazon haul. And then I went to Dollar Tree last weekend because, you know, I'm always looking at Dollar Tree. I originally went to go get some napkins for the classroom because you know, everyone needs a napkin at lunch, you know. And I found some other things for my journal as well as for the kids, and so I wanted to share that with you as well. These come from the Dollar Tree. So these are more sticky notes because y'all know I cannot resist a sticky note, all right? And again, if I'm putting little notes on the kids' desks or, you know, whatever the case is, right? These are just great, and they're fabulous to use in your journal as well. Then I found this, and these are great because that dog, let me just tell you what, he'd like to drive me nuts. 2022, can you believe it, is already coming out. Now, these are fabulous little things. Again, at the Dollar Tree, it has a notepad. Y'all know, just like Post-it notes, I cannot pass up a notepad. I have a problem. I realize this. That's the first step. But this is what I use them for. Those little calendars. They just make great little beginning pages to the month, right, in my journals. And so this is fabulous. I was glad to find this. And then, of course, it comes with a notepad with this cute little terrarium gem-looking things. Just a lot of fun. So that, your potential is endless. I love lined pads, all right? And they work, I use them all the time in my journaling, okay? Like right here. This is just a part of one. Here's another one that I used. They just make that. I didn't use one there. Oh, I used one here. Oh, I was sad and angry that day. Sorry about that. This is a notepad that I cut a little hole out of, you know, just, yeah, I love using notepads. Here's that notepad. Here's another notepad. Yeah, so they're all just fabulous. I love them and I love using them. So your potential is endless. That was another one. Ignore the dog, please. Each new day, rise with the sun. So nice. I love it. I'm going bananas. I just used that for yesterday. I just think they're adorable. And there's so many in a pack. I mean, this is for $1. You know what I mean? So I could use them in school. I could share them in Happy Mail. I mean, there are a lot of different things I can do. And who can't pass up the emoji stickers, right? These are foil. Okay, so sorry for the glare. All right. Okay, let's see. All right, whatever. I also got at the Dollar Tree, and I wish I brought them home. I had already taken them to school, but I got stickers for the kids' papers, right? And one of the sticker packs from the Dollar Tree, unfortunately, it only had 18 stickers in it, but they were scratch-off stickers. They were so cool. So on their spelling test this past week, they always have a practice test the day before. And if they get a 100 on that practice test, they don't have to take the test the next day, right? They don't have to take the final test. And so on those, I put those little scratch off stickers, and the kids, they just loved them. They thought they were so cool. I wish I brought one home to show you. I'm sure I'm going to go again and get more. And so, yeah, I have to get more because they're so stinking cute. So anyway, that was the haul, right? Haul and Happy Mail. So my beautiful Happy Mail stickers from Brookie Boo, I have all the links below. My Amazon links will be below. They are affiliate links, but check this book out if you're interested in teaching. Teach your class off. It's a really great read. Let's scoot you down, son. Super cute post-it notes and just some, you know, bits that I needed. And then, of course, the haul from the Dollar Tree, which is always fun. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for sharing your time with me. I still haven't decided what I'm going to do with this beautiful piece here. I don't know. I could always cut it out and turn it into a pocket as well. So thank you again. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you can get notified the next time a video comes out. So have a great rest of your day, a wonderful week, and I'll talk at y'all real soon. Bye for now.